Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into automating recurring status updates in ClickUp. This is a fantastic tool to keep your team in the loop and save you time. First off, we need to open up ClickUp and navigate to the Automations section. This section is where the magic happens. It's where we can set up rules to make our work process more efficient. Now that we've done that, the next step is to click on the Add Automation button. This is how we create an automation rule in ClickUp. ClickUp's automation feature is incredibly versatile, and it can be set up to perform a wide array of tasks automatically. Now we're in the automation setup page. You'll see a variety of options here. But for our purposes, we want to select recurring status updates. The reason we do this is because it automates the process of updating statuses, which can be a time-consuming task if done manually. Once you've clicked on Recurring Status Updates, it's time to customize our automation. You can specify the frequency of status updates and which statuses should be updated. This is where you can really tailor the automation to your needs. You can choose daily, weekly, or monthly updates, and you can select which statuses you want to be updated automatically. For instance, if you want to keep your team updated on project progress, you might choose a weekly update of in-progress statuses. The final step is to hit the Save button. This locks in our automation and sets it running. It's as simple as that. In conclusion, automating recurring status updates in ClickUp is a simple yet effective way to streamline your workflow and keep your team on the same page. So that's it for today, folks. You're all set to automate your status updates in ClickUp. Thank you for joining me, and see you in the next tutorial.